How to use the WorldTalk app. First thing that we're gonna do is create our profile. So let's change our profile picture. Let's tap our profile picture here. Let's edit it. Let's choose from album, and we can take a picture of ourselves. So now we can complete the real person authentication and get more attention. So now we need to do the same thing that the person in this picture does. Let's submit. And there you go, there's our profile picture. And now we can find people. Let's use the app's discovery feature. So it's the first one. We have the certified people who certified themselves. So that's people who did a sign like I did right there. There's people who are recommended. Also people from East Europe, West, Japan, Korea, Southeast, and you have these filters, right? So you can choose what age you want to meet. So let's say I want to meet people of this age. So now let's say you meet someone, you're going to tap on their profile, and from there you can interact with them or start communicating. So we can send a hi right here. So let's go to the messages. So if you do tap on hi, it's actually just going to say, hi, may I meet you? And from here you can start texting. To add a person to your friends, you're going to tap the three dots here and you're going to send a friend request. And there's also something called automatic translation. So of course, because this is a world app, people talk different languages. You can talk your own language and they can talk their own language, and you're going to have a translator between you two. So there's a translation package that you can buy in the app right here. You can also make a video or voice call, post photos or videos, and even send gifts to people. So as you can see here, I can send this person a gift. Let's say I want to send this, for example. I'm going to have to pay to get that gift. So there's another feature here called moments. These are basically posts of people. And you have another one, and this is kind of like Tinder, where you swipe left or right depending on do you want to meet the person or not. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.